Welcome back. Java has installed successfully in last class. Now in this class, we have to understand what happened after Java install. Now, when you install something, you have a purpose, right? Let's say you have installed Word, a software. What was the purpose? Write or compose some documents, right? Excel. The purpose could be process data calculation, or PowerPoint, another software we know, and the purpose could be create presentation. Now all those software, when we install, we see some kind of icon comes in our desktop, or we can go to our computer start, right, and then click them. Like here are lots of software, so you install, you click it open, and then you do your work. Like that's the way generally we do our work in our computer. Now in case of Java, there is nothing that you can go and open. Okay, no things that you can open straight and work, right? Not like that. However, it brings two things in our computer, and that two thing is must learning concept. Lots of student, they start learning, but they don't understand these two concept, that what Java brings in our computer. One is called Java virtual machine, and in short we call it JVM. It's a very interesting thing activated in our computer after we install Java. And the second thing is Java compiler. Okay, and there is another thing that we will see more deep when we actually start real work with Java. It's called Java development kit or library. Okay, so these are something like Java gives you to quick start your work. Okay, so what we learned, that Java is not something that you can go and open. It contains or activates three things on our computer: Java virtual machine, Java compiler, and Java development kit. Okay, and we have to work on this. Actually combining these three things, we will work with Java. So let's come back to next class, how try to understand everything first, and then we will start writing some code. Thank you.